Dear customer, welcome watch Shenzhen Liwei Technology Co. Late LV09 BGA rework station operation video. LV09 is a high-end precision, automatic optical BGA rework equipment. Open switch power on machine. Down nozzle, replace install. Suction nozzle, replace install. Upper nozzle, replace install. Right universal jig install. Left universal jig install. Universal fixture moving fixed. Overall moving and fixation of the jig. Second temperature zone, height adjustment. Heater switch 1. Heater switch 2. Laser positioning button. Emergency switch. Press down how machine power off. Optical alignment lens adjustment handle. Adjusted front, back, left, right. PCB light source adjustment knob. BGA light source adjustment knob. LED light switch button. Optical image angle rotation button. Optical alignment image, zoom in zoom out joystick. Top heating head up down joystick. Place the motherboard where the BGA chips need to be removed and secure it. Select language and enter. Click the debug menu and enter the password to enter the setting interface. Setting temp is modified according to the size of the PCB board. After setting done, click Save Curve button and back to menu. Select the working mode, remove and click Run button. Machine start to run. Upper heater head will auto down and close to the chip and start to heating. The video heating process speeding up. The normal chip remove time about 4 to 5 minutes. Also adjust the repair time or the temp according to the actual situation. BGA chip removing now. After the melting point is reached, the upper heating head automatically pick up the chip and place in the feeder. BGA chip automatic remove done. BGA chip mounting welding demonstration. PCB motherboard is fixed on the pallet. Place the chips to be soldered inside the feeder. Select mounting mode and click the start button. The optical alignment lens will automatically pick up chip. Move to top heater nozzle position and pick up chip for alignment. Manually adjust the angle button and front-back micrometer to make blue and gold point cover together. When aligned, adjust the PCB and BGA light make the image clearer and image alignment. Once aligned, press the alignment confirmation button on the remote sensor. Alignment lens automatically returns. Upper heating head auto mounting the chip to the PCB board. Start auto welding BGA chip. Soldering and removing temperature. Can use the same temperature profile. You can edit the temperature as your experience. BGA chip soldering heating in. After welding done, the upper heater auto back to zero place and stop heating. Welding completed. Thank you for watching.